Hey, this is Ross from Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a project 2 doors away from a job that we did previously. So it's always nice when customers see your work and they get a referral from their neighbor. And here we are. So today's project. So here we're starting a job with a previous coating. It's a 2-car garage and we're going to put baseboards into this garage. So there's not many obstructions in this garage, which is nice. They removed the hot water heater for us and they removed all the fixtures, etc. So it's going to be a relatively straightforward job, except that there are going to be some repairs here. That's a little chunky. And then once we get this coating, we're going to see where we're really at. And then when we do the baseboards, we're going to first deglaze these tiles, which basically means just roughing them up so that the epoxy sticks to it real well. So we're getting started, and let's get started then. Okay, so we've got our grind done, we got our coating removal done. We have our baseboards taped off and primed with the epoxy primer, ready to match the color epoxy we're going to put on the floor. And so what happened yesterday is we actually kind of got, I won't say we painted ourselves into a corner, but we kind of painted ourselves out of a corner, and that was that there was so much repair on the floor that we were unable to actually do the baseboards. So this is all ground back already, and for the most part the repairs have disappeared, which is a good thing. But there were divots everywhere, including some major ones. So we went back in today, did a very good grinding to get this all back, and that's where we're at now. So this is definitely a good profile for our epoxy to adhere to. But as you can see, there was just divots and spots everywhere. And that's what you can see in the blue, the gray. We did some repairs in gray. And those are the ones that are basically disappearing. So we actually used the blue just because the gray disappears. And sometimes you lose track of little spots that you just step over not realizing that they're still there. So Lauren's getting ready to do the baseboard, so I better catch up. Okay, we just finished up putting the top coat down on this 2-car garage with full chip baseboards. Just finished the Aliphatic urethane top coat. And that's what it looks like where the tile was, where the baseboards are now. We got a picture of Lauren detailing them in. So there was definitely a lot of repairs on this job. And really pays off doing them, because now we have that nice seamless surface where before this garage was really rough. So here's the color, saddle tan. Here's the edge. We have a nice lip on that because that's the most vulnerable part of the garage. So we're in Gulf Harbors and we're finishing this job up. Looks great. Thanks for watching.